And here we are in Guelph, Ontario, Canada. And we will be starting a highland game, but I thought I'd do a little bit of a walkthrough. And you can see the center stage. What I like is they have an international festival here with water, recycling, and all cultures represented. So this vlog will be about my day in Guelph, Canada.
Well, that's a good pull. I think it's his best one. Amateurs, can you please go over and warm up with the heavy hammer?
Good pull.
Nice lift from Jay. This caber's about 19 feet, about 75 or 80 pounds. Qualifying for the Masters, so anyone who's turning between 10 and 2 will move on to the bigger stick. All right, let's clap for Jay here.
Let's go, Jay. Pull it hard.
And over.
Yes.
There we go, yes. Up and over. Nicely.
What I really like about this festival is so friendly. They encourage you to bring your own water bottle so that you can get fills and now contribute to filling the landfills with plastic. Oh yes, the kids are coming. We're gonna have a demo. We're gonna see all kinds of culture and ideas and what Guelph is all about.